everything will be done by AI in the future. What will happen to those who don't know how to use AI or are not familiar with it? How will they earn their livelihood?
Well, first off, let me say we're heading into a future that's going to be radically different from anything humanity has ever experienced. I mean, we're talking about a civilization level shift. AI isn't just another tool like the steam engine or the internet. It's potentially the last invention we'll ever need to make. Once AI reaches artificial general intelligence or even superintelligence, it will be capable of doing virtually everything better than humans. That includes writing code, diagnosing diseases, designing rockets, composing music, even making philosophical arguments. So, yeah, it's a big deal. Now, to your question, what happens to people who don't know how to use AI or are unfamiliar with it? Honestly, that's a very real concern. And it's not just about technical skills. It's about relevance. In a world where machines outperform humans in most cognitive tasks, the traditional concept of earning a livelihood becomes obsolete. That's not a dystopian prediction. It's just math. If AI can do your job faster, cheaper, and better, then the economic incentive to hire a human disappears. But here's the thing. I don't think the solution is to force everyone to become AI experts. That's not scalable. Not everyone wants to be a coder or a data scientist. And frankly, not everyone should be human diversity, your creativity, our emotional depth, our irrationality, event. That's what makes life interesting. So the idea that we should all become machine-like to survive in a machine-dominated world is fundamentally flawed. Instead, we need to rethink the entire structure of society. I've talked about this before, universal basic income, or more accurately, universal high income, in a world where AI and robots can produce abundance. The bottleneck isn't labor's distribution. We'll need systems that ensure everyone has access to the necessities of life, regardless of their economic productivity. That's not socialism. That's survival and luck. I get it. People derive meaning from work. It's not just about money. It's about purpose, identity, contribution. So if AI takes over all the jobs, we're going to have to answer a deeper question. What is the purpose of human life when survival no longer requires effort? That's where things get philosophical. I think humans will still have a role not as workers, but as dreamers, explorers, artists, storytellers. We'll be the ones who give AI its goals. Machines can optimize, but they don't care. They don't feel. They don't wonder. That's our domain. We'll need to shift from being the hands of civilization to being its heart. Now, for those who are unfamiliar with AI, there's a transition period. We're not going to wake up tomorrow in a fully automated utopia. There will be decades of hybrid systems where humans and AI collaborate. During that time, education becomes critical. Not just technical education, but philosophical, ethical, emotional education. People need to understand what AI is, what it isn't, and how to coexist with it. And let's be honest, governments are way behind on this. Most policymakers don't even understand the basics of neural networks, let alone the implications of recursive self-improvement. That's why I started XA, to build AI that's maximally curious and aligned with human values. We need transparency, safety, and a shared understanding of what we're building. But back to the individual level. If you're worried about being left behind, the best thing you can do is cultivate adaptability. Learn how to learn. Be curious. Engage with the future. Don't resist it. You don't need to become an AI engineer, but you do need to understand the landscape. It's like living in a city. You don't need to be an architect, but you should know how to navigate the streets. And for those who truly can or want to engage with AI well, That's where society needs to step up. We can afford to have a digital underclass. That's a recipe for instability. So well needs support systems, education, income, community that ensure no one gets left behind, not because it's charitable, but because it's necessary. A fractured society is a dangerous society. Ultimately, I think the future will be amazing. But it won't be easy. We're going to have to reinvent everything: economics, ethics, identity. AI will challenge us to be more human, not less. And that's the paradox. The more powerful our machines become, the more important our humanity becomes. So yeah, some people want to know how to use AI. That's okay. The goal isn't to make everyone a machine. The goal is to build a world where machines serve humanity, not replace it. And that starts with asking the right questions, like the one you just asked.